what we need to do is more shading. So for that, I had used the Spice Brown. What's happening? Oh, thank you, Jesus. That didn't get on my brand new shirt. Just a little on my scarf. Oh, this does not have a cover. So I didn't get any on my shirt, my brand new shirt from Old Navy. But I did get a little bit somewhere on here. But this one doesn't matter. Oh my word, what am I going to do? You know what? I just threw that away. I took the cover off the white one that I just threw away. It doesn't fit in there, but I hope my head remembers that that is a problem. Alright, so here we go with some brown. Getting paint out is like almost impossible. That's all there is to it. Almost impossible. Alright, so we have that. So go in with the corner and bring it out. We need more shading under here. So when I press that, the darkest is right over there, even though the paintbrush is wet all the way across. Blot out your brush, go back in, and I think I want to do some shading along here. It's a little dark, so I can go back in. Kind of blend it out, that's good. And maybe just come down here a little bit. Your fingers are a great tool. There's too much of a line right there. Do you see it? I'm just going to take that out. If you're fast enough, it'll come off. And I don't want to be gross, but if you wet your paper towel with a little, spit, just dab it on your tongue. It's science. It brings it right off. Better than water, because the water adds too much water. This is sort of a dry cleanse. Is that how I shall put it? Alright, tap. I don't want much. It's picking up the blue. Why is that? The blue was used a long time ago. Oh, I had painted something earlier. All right, Annie, stay away from over there. Here we go. When acrylic paint dries, you can go over it. I had done something over here, so it was not dry. Here we go. Still too much of a line. That makes it better. I'm going to pick it up over here. I'll turn this over. See if I can blend it out. And you do kind of have some shading between your lip and your nose. So I am happy with that. Tomorrow night, which is New Year's Eve, I'm going to a big bonfire. Hot dogs and beans are being served, and I am going to make what am I going to make? Zucchini bread. See that? I just did some spit because it just wasn't coming up, but now it did. Is she done? I don't know. I think being done is hard. Whenever I find strange shaped Q-tips, I will get them because they work really, really well when you're painting and you need to wipe something off. See, that had paint too far over. You can really just pick and pick and pick at this and never, ever, ever be done. Ever. Do you know what she needs? She needs some nice, gentle blush.